Microsoft Office LTS Professional Plus 2024 and previous versions 365 and 2021, 2019, 2016. Any version uninstallation process explain. Windows search box lo control panel enter. First option control panel click. Programs and features option click. Microsoft Office LTS Professional Plus 2024 software select, mouse right click, uninstall first option click. Uninstall or change on application first button yes click. Microsoft ready to uninstall first button uninstall click. This is first method uninstallation process. Second method uninstallation on Windows 11 users. Close control panel window close. Windows search box lo installed apps enter. First option installed apps click. Apps section lo installed apps completely display in window. Mouse scroll down. Microsoft Office LTS Professional Plus 2024 application display. Right side 3 dots more options. 3 dots click. First one modify, second one uninstall. Second option uninstall click. Uninstall click. Microsoft Office click to run window lo first button yes click. Microsoft ready to uninstall first button uninstall click. Microsoft uninstalling, we are removing Microsoft 365 and Office from your computer now. Uninstallation process start. Wait and here few seconds. Done uninstalling process completed. Close button click. Installed apps section lo Microsoft LTS 2024 remove from PC. Window close. In case reinstall any Microsoft Office desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder click. Already installation software related folder display Office 2024. Remove this folder. Select mouse right click. Delete icon click. Left side this PC option select. First one new volume C select to open. MS Office related folder Office 2024 select. Mouse right click. Delete icon click. Keyboard shortcut key shift delete key press. Close folder. After uninstallation process completed, system restart must.